Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the physical gear so the sync process is reliable. First, identify whether your LEDs are addressable versus simple strips. Addressable LEDs let you control individual pixels, which is essential for precise ambient effects. Once done, match the power supply voltage and current to the strip to avoid dimming or damage. Make sure the LED data input is close to your controller and the strip is neatly attached to the TV's back, so light placement follows. You now configure the controller and capture method to read the TV image. Install the controller firmware or the PC app, then connect an HDMI grabber between the source and TV or enable software screen capture on the same device. Grabbers avoid DRM issues. Next, set the capture resolution and frame rate to balance responsiveness and CPU load. Finally, map the exact LED count and physical layout into the software and define sampling zones so color data matches each strip segment. You finish by calibrating and validating the sync for consistent results. Run color calibration and check latency. Increase smoothing if flicker occurs or reduce it to lower lag. Test with bright, dark, and fast-moving scenes so you catch color shifts or timing problems. If colors are wrong or LEDs flicker, make sure firmware is current, the controller shares a proper ground with the power supply, and data wires are as short as practical. Finally, adjust gain and refresh rate until the effect feels natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.